Most creators agrees that great thumbnail and title is the key for more views on YouTube. And yet, one thing most creators struggles with is how to create an eye-catchy thumbnail that will get more clicks. Now the solution have been discovered, thanks to this free AI tool that can create great thumbnails using just a prompt. This AI requires no editing skills, just smart tools and simple steps. Let's not waste a second. Let me show you how to create a scroll-stopping thumbnails in a snap. This tool is called the vidIQ Thumbnail Generator. To get started, open the site using the link in the description and sign in with your Gmail account. Here's how the interface looks. By clicking on this icon, you can upload your video. The tool will analyze it and automatically generate the perfect thumbnail for you. You can even add your face or any image you want to include in the thumbnail. There's also an option to upload a reference thumbnail. This helps you create a similar style to something you like or previously used. Let's try our video topic, which is how to monetize a YouTube channel in 2025. You can upload extra icons if needed, or simply let the tool create a stunning thumbnail in just a few seconds. But for now, I'm going to leave it without any uploads. As you can see, it generates us wonderful thumbnails in seconds. These thumbnails are very eye-catchy and high quality. With this, you can compete with any big creator here on YouTube. Let's try another topic, which is how Elon Musk make his first $1,000. Now hit create. The results are absolutely impressive, especially the first one. And don't forget, if you're not fully satisfied, you can regenerate the thumbnail until you're happy with the outcome. The best part is this tool allows 3 thumbnail generations per day, which is more than enough for most YouTube content creators. Apart from thumbnail generation, vidIQ is a prerequisite if you want to succeed on YouTube. It gives you the best SEO optimization, great video ideas, best tags and hashtags, and many things that will be useful for you as a creator. Try it now today by clicking the link in the description. Lastly, don't just watch, be part of the journey. Smash that like button, subscribe for more powerful AI content, and turn on the bell so you never miss an update. Drop a comment below and let me know what you'd love to see next.